Hi. Yeah, Barbie tie-dye. Let's check it out. So let's take a good look at this thing.
Okay, here it is.
Wow, looks pretty cool. Looks like it's got a bunch of stuff.
Yeah. Well, you can tie-dye this and this. Well, you can.
And brush her hair?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Let's check it out. How do we get this thing out of here?
It's right here. That is straight. There. Good job, Dad. Barbie! Barbie today.
Just gotta pull it out.
Pull. Pull.
Let's get this.
Pull.
All right, can we just pull this thing out? Sorry, Barbie.
You're stuck. Her to the bottom.
I'm just gonna have to destroy this box.
Yes, Barbie.
Oh, the instruction manual?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, did we open it wrong? No. You thinking the bottom? Oh no, the cat's already like, ooh, can I get in this box? Oh, whoa, Mom. Whoa, getting out the scissors. How's the cat supposed to get in the box?
Watch it not work.
Get the up close slow-mo. Yeah, right. Holy cannoli. Look. Still attached.
One little piece of tape.
Oh.
Okay, Mystique. No.
Mystique, no.
Tape for you.
Oh, wow. We finally got in here.
Almost.
Better set that box up for the cat. Journey, get off the table.
Oh, I'm playing piggy.
All right. Ooh, you getting all your toys out of there? The brush. You want some help, Journey?
Toy.
You want some help here?
Brush?
Yeah, let's get her out, and then you can use it. Whoa.
It's like it doesn't want to come off.
They got them all attached in there, right?
Dude, this is like never coming off.
Hey, guys.
Oh no, it's getting stuck in your hair, Journey. Sorry. Oh no. Oh, Mystique. Getting ideas? No.
Yeah, I can.
Mystic, you know how you love to play with a wadded up piece of tape? Don't eat it, Mystique.
Barbie!
Holy moly, we still got more?
Mm-hmm.
Hi guys, we came back.
Mystique, why you gotta be all up in the action? She's like, is there tape on this? Is there tape on this?
Oh, I think these
no
go
tape.
right here, maybe.
So, we got her all set up now. Mystique, what are you gonna do? You wanna push things off the edge, I read? Are you gonna lay on the paper?
I like her eyes.
Oh, she has beautiful eyes. I wish my eyes looked like that.
My eyes would tie her.
They do!
You guys like
I wish I had eyes like you, Mystique. Mystique! Meow! Okay, bye! Oh, you're getting to do the old brush? Get some brush action in there. You got the double ponytail. That's great. Oh, yeah. That is a good idea. She needs to brush her hair. She's had it all tied back. It's getting a little uncomfortable. She needs to loosen up, right? Ooh. Ow! You're kind of pulling my hair. It's okay. You're still my best friend.
Okay.
BFF?
Yes.
Best friends forever! Well, you like my fingernails?
Yeah. They're cute, Daddy.
Okay, what do you got?
Yo, what do you got there, Journey? What is that?
To gymnastics.
Mystic, see, you gotta be sitting on stuff.
Eh?
Is this a new seat?
No, you take these out and then you do this
Oh.
inside.
Little
Oh.
tie-dye kit, huh?
That's awesome. Are you gonna do it?
No, not yet. Well, we need to take this out. These are hair.
So, Journey, these go in your barrette. There's different barrettes. You can put the little gems inside.
I want the blue one in there.
Okay.
The pink one.
Oh, she has a whole nother one in there, huh?
Yeah, they're
That's
on
great.
my.
She got quite the thing going on here. Ooh, what a braid. Styling.
Where?
Look, it's just crazy. Like, all this different designs you have going on.
Oh, yeah.
Pretty awesome.
Yeah.
This goes to something.
Ow, my hair.
I bended it.
I'm just
You
kidding. I can't feel it.
That's so soft. You have pink in your hair.
I just dyed it.
I like it. It matches your lipstick and your nails and your outfit.
I know I have OCD.
Yeah. Here's your stuff.
Ooh, what's that?
It's on your nails.
I love doing my nails.
And here's another one for your nails.
Ooh, will you put some stickers on my nails?
Not yet. After when we do your hair.
I'm gonna be gorgeous.
Yeah, look at this brush.
I love the colors. Hey, whose cat is that?
It's Mystic. Her friend. The family. Hey.
Really good. These are there. You go, sis.
Oh my word, look at that. Gorgeous locks.
Where's down here?
And run your fingers through it. Oh, it is soft. Wow, I could just run my hand through that hair all day. Oh, you know, we give it a good brushing?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, please, I got a big old rat's nest.
Yeah.
Get the spray.
Let me check.
It's not working right.
Dollar Tree for the win.
Look at her bottom.
Well, it's okay. Oop, ah. Oh, there you go. Much better now, huh? Wow, look at that.
We need more.
Oh, I think that.
I think that's good.
Plenty.
We need some on the bottom. Okay, now for her braid over here.
You gonna do a braid?
Yeah. Let's try. Twist this way. Think. We twist this. Put that around. I'm doing it.
Good job.
Whoop. That. See the braid right there?
Yeah, the more you do it, the better you'll get at it.
Okay, that's the curl.
Oh my gosh, that's beautiful.
Okay, enough with the Kit Kat.
Mom. Ready, set, bye guys.
Bye.
Bye. Tomorrow we're gonna do this. Okay.
You're gonna braid her hair
Yeah.
and do the nails?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Well, sweet. See you tomorrow.
Bye.